Okay, we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra today, and the leaks are starting to pour in. We've got our first look at the design thanks to some leaked renders, but I have to tell you, there's a rumor about the camera that is seriously disappointing. But before that, let's dive right into the good stuff, the design changes. The biggest visual shift you're going to notice is that Samsung is making the S26 Ultra much rounder. If you thought the S25 Ultra had gotten away from those super sharp, boxy corners of the S24 Ultra, well, the S26 Ultra is going to be even curvier. This should make it feel a lot more comfortable in your hand. The S Pen is supposedly getting slightly rounder to match, and yes, it looks like the S Pen is sticking around for another year, which is great news for fans. Now, flip the phone over and you'll see the other big design change, the camera system. Instead of the lenses sitting almost flush with the phone's body like on the S25 Ultra, the S26 Ultra will have a raised camera bunk, a clear platform for the lenses. This bump is actually pretty thick, rumored to be about 4.5 millimeters, which is more than half the phone's total thickness of 7.9 millimeters. We're also seeing that they're getting rid of those little individual rings around the lenses, which had a reputation for falling off the S25 Ultra. So a more comfortable, rounder design and a new camera bump looks promising, right? Well, here is where the disappointment comes in, and it's a big one for camera enthusiasts. The rumor, according to multiple sources, is that the cameras on the entire S26 lineup are going to be virtually the same as last year. Yes, you heard that right. The hardware specs are allegedly not getting a major upgrade. For the flagship S26 Ultra, the rumors suggest we'll be looking at the same exact setup as the S25 Ultra. The 200-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 50-megapixel 5x optical zoom telephoto. We're still waiting on details for the fourth lens, but even that is expected to be a carryover. Now, this is concerning. Samsung's cameras are already great, but they've been falling behind competitors, especially when you compare them head-to-head with the latest iPhone in certain photo categories. If Samsung is keeping the same camera hardware for another year, they are going to be relying heavily on AI and software tricks to improve photo quality. It's almost like they're giving up on a proper camera upgrade this generation. The only phone in the lineup that seems to be getting a nice camera bump is the new S26 Edge, which is rumored to replace the Plus model. It might get a big jump on the ultra-wide camera, going up to 50 megapixels. But for the Ultra, the one users expect the most from, it looks like a huge missed opportunity. So, what do you think? Are you happy with the rounder design and the camera bump? Or are you severely disappointed about the seemingly stagnant camera hardware? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for all the latest tech news and leaks. I'll catch you in the next video.